Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to create an event on WhatsApp. With the latest updates, you can now schedule and share events seamlessly within your chats. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your smartphone. Make sure you're using the latest version of the app to access this feature. If you haven't updated yet, head to your App Store and install the latest version. Next, select the chat where you want to create your event. This can be a private one-on-one conversation or a group chat. Once you're in the chat, look for the attachment icon. It's the paperclip symbol located near the text input box. Tap on it to reveal a menu of options. From the menu, select Event. This will open up a new screen where you can customize your event details. Here, you can add a title for your event, set the date and time, and include additional notes or a location if needed. If it's an online meeting, you can even link it to a WhatsApp voice or video call. Once everything looks good, tap Send. Your event will now appear in the chat as an interactive message. The recipient or group members can view all the details and even RSVP by accepting or declining the invitation. This ensures everyone is on the same page without needing endless back-and-forth messages. And that's it. You've successfully created an event on WhatsApp. It's a simple yet powerful tool for organizing meetups, appointments, or reminders, all without leaving your chat. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from this feature. See you in the next tutorial.